This is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will discuss about LifterLMS reporting. So, if you visit your dashboard, then LifterLMS and reporting, so here is our LifterLMS reporting dashboard. So basically from here, we can see all our details, our course details, student details, quiz details, all of the details for our LMS site from this dashboard. As you can see, here is my reporting dashboard. I have students, courses, memberships, assignment, quizzes, sales, and enrollments. So I can visit each and every option. And so first I will select the students, and now I can select all my students for this website. I can see every student name, their registration date, their last seen, progress, number of enrollments, certificates, achievements, memberships. So I can see everything from here. Also, you can visit in specific students profile from here. For example, if I click on here, I will see more details about the students, number of courses this student has enrolled, their memberships, these users achievements, certificates. Also, I can see this specific user students information. For example, their registered date, their overall progress, their achievement earned or grades, and everything. That means I can see now this specific user's details. I can see their courses. I can see that this user is enrolled in these two courses. I can visit their specific options as well. So from this students tab, you can see all the details about student and their enrolled courses, their grades, and everything like that. Also, you can export it. For example, if I click on here, it will export Excel data with these informations like their registration date, progress, and other information. So if I open it, here is it's opening an Excel file. So I can see all the details as an Excel sheet now. So you can see their billing information, their address, their progress, and all the details. So now if I visit courses, so in this courses tab, I will be able to see all my courses that's available in this website. I can see each and every course, and the instructor for this course, the number of students for this course, average progress, and average grade. So I can visit any specific course from here. For example, if I visit this one, um, this specific course overview, you can see currently enrolled students, average progress for this course, average grade for this course, sales, and all this information. Also, if I click on students tab, that means I will be able to see all the students of this course. Here is all the students. I can see their status, they are enrolled or cancelled or something, their enrollment updated, progress, and other options. Also, I can export it from here. For example, if you want to do some custom emails, that time you can export it and use that. And now if I visit the back, you can see I also export this course list. That means when I export it, I'll be able to get all the data about these courses. Then we have memberships. So in this website, I have only one memberships. That's the reason it's showing only one membership. So I can export it as well. So also I can see the instructor of these memberships and number of students for these memberships. I also can visit this specific memberships as well to see all the details about these memberships. So I can see the overview. It's similar to courses. I can see the enrolled students or all the students of these memberships. Here you can see you can export this list as well. They have assignments that basically shows all my assignment for this website. You can see here is all the assignment title. Here is the course name, and here is the lesson, and here is the awaiting review. Also, we have total attempts, we have average grade. That means all the details about the assignment. You can see I have one awaiting review. That means someone has submitted the assignment. I need to review it. That's why it's showing one. So if I open this one, I will be able to see the details now for this assignment. Lesson with assignment. This is the lesson name, and this is the assignment overview. And I can see the submission for this assignment. So here you can see all the student has submitted this assignment and like their grade and other things. So if I uh, open any of these, will be able to see the specific students assignment, and you can see also I can start review from here. So if I click on start review, I'll be able to add remarks and then grades, then I will be able to save review. So this is how actually the assignment tabs work. Also you can see the total attempts as well. Also here we have these export options, then we have quizzes. So in this tab, we'll be able to see all the quizzes that are available in this website. We can see the course name, we can see the lesson, awaiting review, total attempts, average grade, and we can select actions. You can delete it if you want. So if I show you one, for example, maybe this one. So if I visit any specific quiz, I will be able to see more details about this quiz. I can see the quiz overview, specific quiz overview. I can see specific quiz attempts. Here is one attempt. And if I click on here, I will be able to see this attempts. They have submitted their quiz. Now I can start review it. I can add remarks for students, and that's it. And I also can save review. So basically, I can manage the quiz from the back end. So when someone will submit the quiz or assignment, you have to follow the same process to start the review their quiz or assignments. Also, I can see the grade. I can see how many correct answer they have selected, their points, their status, and all the things. Also, if we visit sales, we will be able to see all our sales here. So if I select, we can filter it. We can here we have an option for filtering. So you can do that. Also, we can see from this year, last month, or this month. So here you can see the net sales, refunds, amount refunded, amount of coupons, and all the details about sales, or you can say the earnings. Also, we have enrollments. That means we can see the number of enrollments of our course or specific course, something like that. So if I this year or last month, I will be able to see all the enrollments. Also, we can filter here. We can search for specific students, specific search, specific courses, or specific memberships. So basically, this is how the reporting works. From the reporting, we basically can see all the details about our course. We can manage, we can control our quiz, marks, grade, enrollment, everything from here. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.